Hello everyone, I am Manpreet Kaur doing my NET program from here. It was really a great opportunity to learn from highly experienced faculties from here. And actually it has also enabled me to give the appropriate answers in a well speed and also the word limit. It is the crux of this institution or the course that they have provided us with the time and the speed. They have told us about the time and the speed limit of the word answer, and also they have also given us the mock test, weekly mock tests were there. This has enabled us to achieve better performance in the exam. I have also performed through the time and also the word limit of the answer, and also my performance is good from the weekly mock test. And also the crux of the paper. What is the crux of the paper? Crux of the paper basically is the third paper that we focus about. The third paper, the crux of the question is the 30 word limit question answer. That is the main question answer to be followed, because the 30 word limit, one has to write in a 30 word limit. It is a difficult task. So the highly experienced faculties over here have enabled me to write the answers in the 30 word limit appropriately and in an appropriate time. And also the earlier I was not able, I again mention, I was really not able to do the numerical ability portion at all of the first paper. And after doing this course, I am now confidently saying now I am able to do the numerical ability paper thoroughly well. Reasoning, we can say, the analytical skills, we can say, the mathematical ability, all I am able to do in just 1 minute, in just few seconds, rather say that. So I have really gained through this course. And also the program has also enabled us to solve the objective type questions also. They have really covered the portions very well, practical layouts and all that answers in such a way that we are able to give the objective type questions also. So this covers the whole syllabus of the first, second and third paper, and now I am confident enough to do the required thing. So I am now confident enough, and I really thank all the team members and the faculty members to provide me the way of it, give me an insight into this. So I really thanks to all the members. I really thanks from the bottom of the heart. Thank you so much.